In the near future, there will be a really big change for users that are on a NVIDIA GPU. It is not on the stable branch yet, but it is already a thing in testing and unstable. From now on, NVIDIA drivers are rolling, being upgraded from major versions to major versions continuously. You will still have access to the legacy 390.xx drivers, but all other versions such as 418, 430, etc. have been cut down and are now unsupported by Manjaro. If you go in Manjaro Settings Manager and you see Video NVIDIA, this option is used to install NVIDIA proprietary drivers that are rolling from major versions to major versions. Here I could also choose Video NVIDIA 390XX if I wanted to use 390.xx drivers instead. However, when I made the switch from stable to testing recently, I noticed that the transition is not as smooth as it sounds like. Indeed, I noticed that my system was still running with drivers that come from old packages that are now foreign packages that are not in any repositories at all, repositories as defined in etc pacman.conf, which implies that it won't receive any updates from Manjaro anymore. This is pretty bad, considering that it could fail anytime in the future because of the lack of updates, and fortunately for me that I noticed this oddity because it would be a pretty nasty time bomb here. So what I did is to remove the old packages that are now foreign and I installed the new packages. At first I was like, hey, let's install the new package with the package manager. But then I noticed that the Video NVIDIA option in Manjaro Setting Manager was not checked. So just in case it would have done some extra configurations that would not have been done if I installed the packages with the package manager, I canceled the transaction and I installed the NVIDIA proprietary drivers with Manjaro Setting Managers instead. The latter is the route I do recommend for pretty much everyone. Only do the former if you exactly know what you're doing and what you want actually. After that, I check if everything is now fine by restarting the computer, and as you can see, the system is indeed booting properly with the graphical interface working properly too. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time for another video.